Oh, we recently had some more trouble with 540i here. I shut it off one evening after driving it. Came out the next day, went to fire it up, and the thing was stone dead, no power. So if you've been following the channel, watching the videos, you'll know I was playing with the electrical box there underneath the passenger floor. Found a bunch of horror stories in there and fixed them up. But after doing that, everything was connected and fine, so there really shouldn't have been any more issues. So I came out to start it one morning, battery's dead. Well, old car. We put a new battery in her. Everything seemed fine. Went out for a drive, came back, shut the car off. Come out the next morning, dead again. So there's got to be something going on here. There must be something running after I shut the car off. So I get it going again, charge the battery up, get inside the car, shut the car off, and I immediately noticed that the fan was still running for the blower motor. So I had my center console here, the climate control, I had it all turned off, but when I shut the car off, the fan would stay running. Didn't really make much sense. So, you know, go on Google, do some reading. Everybody tells you the FSU unit. Well, I don't know, maybe it was, maybe it wasn't, but after I drove the car again, I had unplugged the fuse for the blower motor to make it stop running. So the next time I drove the car, it was cold and needed heat. I plugged the fuse back in, and then I noticed that the lights in my climate control on the center screen here got dim. And once they started to go dim, it was a short time afterwards, and the screen just went completely dead. So I was, you know, didn't really know what the problem was. So I called the local scrapyard, got them to order me in one of these, another climate control unit. So what I found was, when we plugged the new unit in, everything now works again. So what we had was complete failure in this unit, and whatever failed into it was constantly sending power to my blower motor for some reason. God knows why. But in my case, it was not the FSU unit down here in the floor. It was this fella.